And let me show you the fastest way to convert MP4 to AVI online. Hey everyone, Dams here from Wondershare UniConverter. So without any further ado, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com/videoconverter, or the link is in the description, and follow these 3 simple steps to convert MP4 to AVI online. Step 1. Drag and drop your AVI video file or click on the window here to select it from your media browser. Note that the file size limit is 100 megabytes, but otherwise the tool is free. Step 2. Choose your output format, which is going to be AVI in our case. The input format is MP4, but it could be any other video format as well. Step 3. Click on the Convert button. The tool will upload and convert the file. The speed of this will depend on how fast your internet speed is and how many people are using the server. Finally, when the conversion process is complete, download your converted video file. It is really a simple way to convert MP4 to AVI online. Alternatively, if you have a large number of AVI files that you need to convert into MP4, you can use the UniConverter. The UniConverter is a complete multimedia toolbox, not only with the most powerful converter out there, but also with many AI tools that you can utilize for video and audio editing. You may download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Now, after opening the UniConverter, the converter tool will be right here on the home interface. In this next window, you need to drag and drop your MP4 files. Like I said, you can convert multiple files here at once, which will save you a bunch of time. Then in the next step, here you can choose the output format for all of the files on your list to be AVI in our case, but you can also do it one by one in case some MP4 files need to be converted in a different format. And lastly, after you have chosen an output folder, you can initiate the process by clicking on Start All. And that is how easy it is to convert an MP4 file to AVI online or on desktop. So I hope this video was helpful, and if so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to and tutorial videos. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.